Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of cement mixing trucks and uncovering how these heavy-duty machines work. These trucks are essential on any construction site where concrete is involved, providing a mobile and efficient way to transport and mix cement. At its core, a cement mixing truck is essentially a mobile concrete mixer mounted on the chassis of a truck. The heart of this truck is the drum, a large cylindrical container that rotates continuously. This rotation is crucial as it prevents the cement from setting, ensuring it remains in a liquid state until it is needed on site. Let's explore how it all starts. The truck is usually loaded with dry materials like cement, sand, and gravel, along with a precise amount of water. This combination happens at a batching plant, where the materials are measured and mixed according to the project's requirements. Once loaded, the drum spins slowly in a counterclockwise direction. This slow rotation keeps the concrete well mixed and prevents it from settling or hardening prematurely. As the truck arrives at the construction site, the mixing drum can be seen rotating in a clockwise direction. This is because the drum is designed with spiral blades inside it that push the concrete out towards the opening, allowing it to be poured directly into the designated area or into a concrete pump. What makes cement mixing trucks particularly useful is their ability to transport a specific amount of concrete tailored to the specific needs of a project. By adjusting the mixing time and drum speed, operators can control the concrete's consistency, ensuring it is just right for its intended use, whether that's for a sidewalk, a foundation, or a high-rise building. Furthermore, these trucks are equipped with a chute, which directs the concrete accurately to where it needs to go, minimizing waste and enhancing efficiency. The chute can be adjusted in length and angle to reach different areas within a construction site. In essence, cement mixing trucks are integral in the construction industry, combining precise engineering with practical design to deliver concrete efficiently and effectively. Next time you see one on the road, you'll know the vital role it's playing in shaping the structures we occupy every day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more intriguing insights into the machinery behind construction marvels.